Alright guys, I picked up some new tools to work on AC systems. Alright, the first thing I picked up here is this single stage vacuum pump. This thing included the manifold gauge set. This is going to work good for hopping between doing stuff at work as well as doing stuff at home and other side jobs that may come up. And while searching through the bag, I found this leak detector that was included with it. And the second thing I got here was a second set of AC manifold gauges. This is a complete kit. It comes in a blow molded case. This is going to be good as a backup set just in case I have any leaks or issues with the other one, or maybe keep one at work and one at home. I ended up getting all of this stuff you see here for $24. Really can't beat that, and hopefully it makes me money. Alright, thanks for watching guys, and if you're not subscribed or following, please do, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.